Welcome to Narayana virtual classes. Today's our amazing assignments of physics class 8 related to the sound lesson. So they given 5 questions to us. So let us move on to the first question. So are we able to listen all sounds in nature? So no, we cannot able to listen all sounds in nature. So that that is depends on the frequency. So we cannot able to hear all sounds in nature, depends on the frequency. So generally the human beings listens between the frequency 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. So this is the audible range. So human beings listen in between the 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz only. That is the audible range. So we cannot able to hear the all sounds in nature. And let us move on to the second question. So how does sound help us? So sound helps to communicate with others. So yes or no? So sound helps mainly to communicate others. So that is for second question. And next let us move on to the third question. So write the different sounds that are produced. So where we can observe the sound. So sounds of autos, sounds of vehicles and sounds of tractors. So whatever it is, the sounds from vehicles or birds chirping or violin or talking with others, people talking. So these all are examples for producing the sound. So this is the third question. And let us move on to the fourth question. So next, name any 5 sources of sound. So mainly the sources of sound divided into the 2 types. So natural sources and man-made sources. So the natural sources examples are birds chirping or animals sounds. So natural sources are animals sounds, wind sounds, and flowing stream sounds, flowing streams, sounds. So these all are examples of natural sources. Man-made sources are mainly so airplanes and also these all musical instruments like keyboard, piano and also drums, so violin. So these all are the man-made sources only. Vehicles also man-made sources, animal and also vehicles also man-made sources. These all are the sources of the sound. Okay, next, so explain the importance of sound in our daily life. Now only we discussed what is that. Sound helps to communicate with others and also sound providing what is that, themselves protect from themselves from dangers like sounds of horn. So horn sounds of trains or horn of cars or whatever it is, so we can protect from the dangers. And also we can identify so who are talking, that means we can find the context. And also so sound helps to providing the treatment for patients. So like doctors hearing the heartbeat by using the stethoscope. So these all are the importance of sound in our daily life. So thank you everyone.